Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta. This is my first or second try on haul. So I've done another H&M haul. I don't know which video will be coming first. So I have picked up few night dresses from Amazon. So I thought I'll share it with you guys so that if you like it, you can go and pick it up. These are very affordable and I've taken everything below 600 rupees, not more than 600 rupees. And these are I have owned it. This is very comfortable. So I thought I'll share it with you and I'll share all the links in the description box. If you like it, you can go and pick it up. Not many, whatever I have, I will share it with you. So the first is this red one, which says Be Kind, and this is from the brand Extreme Cheer. I've taken in the size yes. If you want little looser fit, you have to go one size upper because this is the exact fit what I have received it. At home, if you like to wear it little looser, so you have to go one size upper for this. So this comes with a very cute pant, blue color pant, which has a red print on it. So this is a 3/4 pant, and the t-shirt is also little longer. So it is very comfortable. You can wear it at home and launch. So this is my first pick. I think I have paid 450 for this. So I link everything in the description box with the price so you can check it. So this is my first pick and I've taken in the size small. So if you're my size, then if you want a little looser, you have to go and buy medium. Okay, so this is my first and my second. This is a shorts. I have taken this from Amazon only and this is in the brand Clovia. This is an undergarment brand. So I have taken in the size medium because I had taken in the size small but it was very tight. So I had to exchange it. So I've taken in the size small. This is a perfect size. This is not too short or too long. And this comes with blue color which says flower child, short sleeves. This is a cotton material. Whatever I've taken, it's all cotton because I want to be comfortable when I'm launching at home. So I have taken all cotton. So this is blue color. This combination is so good and it is so comfortable. You can sleep with it. It's very nice. And this is in the size medium. If you're a smaller size, you have to go one size upper because this is like little tighter. So this is my second pick. And my third is this one. This is such a beautiful, such a comfortable fit, and the shade is also very nice. And this is in the shade. This is an Amazon brand. It is in the shade. It is in the brand called 18 and Ivy. So this is a normal t-shirt which comes with a blue color floral print. This is a longer pant which has a ribbed the elastic in the bottom. This is very comfortable, guys. I have tried it. Everything I have tried it. Maybe I've not removed the tag because I have not worn at home yet, but everything I've tried it. So this is also not more than 600 rupees. It was like 550 or something. So I'll link it in the description box. So the length is also perfect. The size is perfect. I have tried everything. I have taken in the size extra small because I had picked up medium. It was too loose. So I had to go one size, actually the two size smaller because the pant was very loose. So this extra small fits me so well. Check this size chart, guys, then only you will get an idea. Otherwise it will be loose or it will be tight. So the pink and blue combination, it's very nice. The material is very nice. I don't know how long it will last, but as of now, this is good. This is the third pick. And the last one, I have taken different with the different types of bottom because I wear all of these. The last one is this one. This is from the brand called B Stories. This has a full sleeves, and it says best mommy. I don't know why I didn't check the wordings when I picked up. I like the pattern, so I picked up, and the material is so soft. It will be very comfortable. It has a full sleeves for this winter. This is apt. And the pant, guys, you can wear any top for this pant. You can wear like black, and you can lounge around. It has like comfortable elastic. It has a pocket which is a plus, and it is like kind of like parallel pant, the straight cut. The length also sits so perfect. I am 5 feet tall, and this sits so perfect. So this is my last. As I told you, this is in the brand B Stories, and I've taken in the size yes, because like I picked up medium. I wanted little looser. I picked up medium, and it was too loose. So I had to go and I have to exchange everything. I had actually picked up two more, but those were I didn't like the material, and I didn't like the way it fits me. So I had to return it. So these are the four one which I have picked up. I'll put everything in the description. If you like it, go buy it. And it's a very cheap. It's all below 600 rupees. For 500, 450, you're getting top and the bottom. This is the best deal, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, please give big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Cherish with Zuzi. Support me so that I can do more such videos. I have few more other videos in my channel. If you like it, please go try them and give love to my channel so that I can do more such videos. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Be safe. Thank you.